Are you part of a co-working space with poor acoustics? Here's an easy guide on what to do and how to prioritize. The goal is simple: reduce distractions and improve speech clarity while maintaining an open social atmosphere. PET modules are perfect for use in public spaces. To avoid reflections from the ceiling spreading all over the room, it's most important to place a ceiling absorber above each workspace. If your space has a lot of bare, flat walls, treat them with wall absorbers at ear level in a second step. Focus on the main reflective surfaces facing the work areas. Of course, we understand that an open look is important in co-working spaces, but with many people working there, you may sometimes, however, need extra acoustic treatment. Our absorber plate Flex is a non-permanent module you can place around desks and put away again if you want to shout at someone across the room. Another mobile module is our PET mobile wall. You can place it between two desks or in front of glass walls or naked doors. It can also be used to create some privacy. Now, let's get to work. Let us know how you're doing and greet your coworkers.